Hello, this video gives a quick introduction to using WebAssign for Math 10 at De Anza College. Right now, we have the home page for WebAssign. As a student, you would click Student, Getting Started. And since I have emailed all of you your username and a temporary password to get started, we would click My instructor has provided me with a username and password, and then log in. For all of us, we're starting out with our institution at De Anza and our password at Math 10, and then you would put in your username. You have an option of purchasing the Access Online right now or continuing with the trial period. WebAssign gives a 2-week trial period from the first day of the quarter. Since I'm making this video right now for my fall 2014 class, there are 12 days left on it. Once you enter, here you have each of the chapter's assignments, and you will also have the due date. You can see that they're due at 11:55 p.m. Here's our textbook, which you can access directly via WebAssign. You can also access it the variety of ways that I have already told you about. So let's go to Intro to Stats, Chapter 1, the first homework coming in. We go down to the second problem. You'll see that this problem corresponds to problem number 46. So I'm going to go through problem number 2, and I'm going to just pick the first answer for each one of these just as a demonstration. If I save progress without submitting the answers, I still have a 0 score. So I'm submitting my answers here. And you can see that the first problem is correct, and it's in green. The second problem is wrong, and this is why. Third problem is incorrect, and the last two. If I am unsure as to why the problems are incorrect, I can go to the section in the text that corresponds to it. It will open in a different window. I want to show you another type of a problem. And here, if we look at problem number 9, this corresponds to homework 80 in the text. This is an exact problem from the book, with the difference being that there are different numbers put in. The red indicates that we have different numbers. You will probably have different numbers than I do because they are meant to be different. Second one, I have the box. I'm going to just enter a few correct answers and a few incorrect answers. But on this problem, I also have practice another version. So before I submit my answer, I might decide, you know what, I want to test out another version. And so I can go right here, put in answers, show the answers, and then I can try a problem again if I want. So on this type of a problem where I'm submitting numbers, I can actually try it out, get it graded, and then go back and put my answers in here. Then I can submit my assignment. So if I save my assignment progress, it will save it for the next time I come back, but it won't be submitted for being recorded. If I submit my assignment, I now have my score, but I also remember I can do this problem again. It says your best submission for each question is used for your course. So I could go back to a problem that I had wrong, and I could try the second answer for each of these. I'm not going to try the problems I had correct, and now I'm going to submit my answers. And you'll see I was still wrong, but at least I have the second one correct, and the fourth one correct, and the fifth one was already correct. I hope this video is helpful for you.